Hell yeah. I was finna run 1080p, but goddamn 1080p is darker than the fucking GoPro. Definitely is not a nighttime camera. I need a fucking nighttime camera. I think I found one, but it's like a SJ cam something. It's got a screen, like the screen flips up and it's got 2 cameras on the front. I don't know. I need more money. That's what the fuck I need.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Yesterday was just so humid.
It's humid as fuck right now.
Yeah, that's
God damn, I wish I could eat one of these motherfuckers. Fried green tomato.
Yeah.
Coconut water. I'll be right back. You need anything? Mom?
No, dang.
Good? Alright. I'll be right back. Oh, you used to say a better son, and now you got one and you don't fucking want him. I used to ask my parents this shit all the time. Y'all need anything? Just a better son. Well, motherfucker, you got it, goddammit. I can't be no fucking better. Only way I could be better is to be worse, which would be being a brain dead, normal ass, simp ass motherfucker that can go to a goddamn job every day and work like every other fucking retard there. I'm special. That's why I called special agents. We're special. That's why you put the special on the front of it. It makes us feel fucking special.
I'm going to ready. I'm going to ready. I'm going to ready. I'm going to ready. She said, can you save me? I said, can you pay me?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's crazy.
Told the man to get away. I look back to stop. I can't wait for bitch if she ain't really got no ass. I can't wait for bitch if she already had a cash. I'm lonely, even when I'm
oh, goddamn.
niggas they foolish. Things I put you show me. I am on the wine, on the way we going. I am never done.
The fuck? God damn it. Hey, it just picked up in the truck. I don't know why. I'm fixing to back out the driveway. Hang up and call right back.
I like drop cruise cause they ventilated.
Houston, this is crazy.
Yeah. It's like Lucy Vert. Yeah. It's like Lucy Vert. But she ain't want me back. Yeah. Now I stuck that money in the backpack. Every day I do it, rock the right. Niggas know that I'm the one and only. I can tell these other niggas phony. I can tell they all just wanna clone me. Yeah, told this bitch one time she wanna bone me. She tripped out when she lonely. She say my name 3 times like I'm Tony. Yeah, baby, I can show you.